All right, so I was in desperate need of 4L60 transmission core to build for a customer because the one that I had was destroyed. I found one on Facebook Marketplace, the only one that I could find with a black and tan connector. It's already rebuilt. $450 is what I spent on it, and he claims it's completely rebuilt, all new internals. I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart and see what exactly he did, because obviously for my customer I want to make sure that I have the best quality item here for him. It's got a nice painted bell housing on it. The outside of it's painted, but the inside of it is real dirty, and it's got some dirty fluid on the back end of it, so I'm kind of assuming that he's not actually been in this and done anything with it. It's probably just a used unit, but I guess we'll find out. Also looking at it, he smeared a boatload of grease on the input shaft, the torque converter seal there, and this torque converter seal is obviously dirty. It's not been replaced at all. Okay, I got the pan off. We got a little bit of material in here, but I did find this piece of metal here in the pan. The gasket is obviously old. Fluid is dark. This is the fluid and everything. That's the filter. I mean, it doesn't even look like he changed the filter. So basically, he sold me a used transmission, I guess. It's not rebuilt. It couldn't be. You know, but I love, like, that job. Oh, yeah, it's definitely rebuilt. Okay, got the valve body off of this rebuilt transmission. And we have an ass load of metal on this valve body gasket. And I also took apart the 2-3 accumulator, and it's missing a spring, so that's cool. So let's see what else we can find. Alright, so I got the pump off, and I found some assembly lube in there. So maybe they replaced the 3/4 clutch. I mean, even the pump gasket is old, so I guess we'll see what happens. Alright, now we've got the 3/4 clutches here. They look like they've got a bunch of mileage and heat on them. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 forward clutches. Let's see. Got the clutches in the 2/4 drum. This is the input drum assembly. It doesn't look like it's been cleaned. Pistons look original. The seals are original. Let's see what else we got here. The band is old. It's not been replaced. I mean, that's the drum. You know, it obviously needs to be replaced. So I don't understand what exactly he did in this transmission. Alright, so this just keeps getting better and better. So this is the sun shell, and this is a planetary gear set that goes on top of it. And there's supposed to be a bearing there. There's no bearing. It's just gone. I have no idea where it is, but if I had ran this transmission the way it is now, that would have destroyed itself. Well, guys, I hate to say I told you so, but that's what happens when you spend $450 on a 4L60 rebuilt transmission. It's really sad, and it makes me upset because that's how this industry is, but unfortunately, it is what it is. If you ever come across the transmission for $450 that's been rebuilt, run as far away from it as you can. It's not been rebuilt. I would say that a normal cost for a 4L60 transmission that's been rebuilt, that has all the updates and everything it needs, and a good warranty, would be around $1,300 carry out. And that's with everything. And that's what I charge, and I offer a 3-year warranty. It's a paper warranty, and I stand behind my word. So there you have it. Of course, like and follow if you like tranny porn too.